Join me as I dive into the world of quantum physics to see if it really can help us trust our gut instincts better. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating relationship between quantum physics and intuition. You might be wondering what these two concepts have in common, but bear with me, and by the end of this video, you'll see how science can help us understand and trust our gut feelings. We've all been there, feeling unsure about a decision, but having a nagging sense that something is right or wrong. And yet, we often dismiss these gut feelings as irrational or unscientific. But what if I told you that there's a growing body of research that suggests our intuition might be more rooted in science than we think? One of the main reasons we tend to distrust our gut feelings is because they don't always make logical sense. We live in a world that values data and evidence, and our instincts often can't be quantified or measured. But this skepticism stems from a deeper misunderstanding of how our brains process information. You see, our conscious minds are only the tip of the iceberg. Most of our cognitive processes happen subconsciously, beyond our awareness. The problem is, we've been conditioned to prioritize rational thinking over intuition, seeing the former as superior to the latter. But what if our intuition is simply our brain's way of processing information that's not yet available to our conscious minds? Let's take a step back and explore the fascinating world of quantum physics. You might be wondering what this has to do with intuition, but bear with me. In quantum physics, there's this concept called the uncertainty principle, which states that certain properties of particles can't be precisely known at the same time. This principle has far-reaching implications for our understanding of reality and how we perceive the world around us. Another fundamental concept in quantum physics is entanglement, which describes how particles can become connected in such a way that the state of one particle is instantly affected by the state of the other, regardless of distance. This phenomenon has been observed and experimentally confirmed, and it has profound implications for our understanding of time and space. So how do these seemingly abstract concepts relate to human intuition and decision-making processes? Well, recent studies have suggested that our subconscious minds can tap into this quantum realm, processing information that's not yet available to our conscious minds. This could explain why we often get those gut feelings about people, places, or situations. One significant insight that connects quantum physics to our intuition comes from a study published in the journal Psychological Science. The study found that people's subconscious minds could pick up on subtle patterns and connections that their conscious minds weren't aware of. This has profound implications for our understanding of decision-making and how we process information subconsciously. Another study published in the journal Nature suggested that our brains can process information from the quantum realm, essentially allowing us to tap into a collective unconscious. This idea is still highly speculative, but it challenges our current understanding of human perception and cognition. The key takeaway from all this is that our intuition might be more rooted in science than we think. By understanding the underlying mechanisms that influence our instincts, we can learn to trust them more. So the next time you get that gut feeling, don't dismiss it. It might just be your subconscious mind processing information from the quantum realm. In conclusion, the relationship between quantum physics and intuition is fascinating and complex. While we still have much to learn, the science suggests that our gut feelings might be more rooted in reality than we think. Thanks for watching, and if you've had any personal experiences with trusting your gut, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on the intersection of science and intuition.